Segment of our training module is video interview library. The movie clipping being shown over there is an excerpt of the interview which we had conducted with Honeywell specialist who was visiting our site while APC implementation.
APC, one of the first things you should check are the C.
Very often we find vendors, specialists visiting our site. We make clarification on various issues with them. They make presentations. When it happens, knowledge floats around in the conference room. But very few people who are interacting with them, they get this information and knowledge. It does not get percolated till the bottom. In fact, it gets vaporized with time. This segment is aimed to capture this information and knowledge and make it available through video interview library to all. Four advantages which are there associated with this system are: it is able to capture the first-hand information of domain experts. It is able to retain that knowledge, store that knowledge, where it is not getting eroded or vaporizing with time. Because of its accessibility feature, it is percolating, it is able to percolate the knowledge till the bottom. And the most attractive feature which makes it very special is its ability to retain the first-hand information and knowledge of domain experts within the company boundaries. It does not allow it to go with person. The fourth segment of our training module is animated case study. Nobody wants incident and accident at first place. But if it happens, it presents a unique learning opportunity. That's where industries are investing huge amounts of money in setting up the incident investigation process. For the objective of any incident investigation process is to pinpoint the root cause of the incident and communicate it to the bottom. The success of any incident investigation process lies heavily on how effectively and how precisely the findings and recommendations are communicated till the bottom. In this present technologically advanced environment, if you are having imagination in your mind, if you are having right tools at your disposal, any kind of situation can be created on computer. Any kind of situation can be animated on your computer. And animation movies have proved themselves as one of the most effective ways of communicating the recommendations and findings of incident investigation. 3D animation is one of the most advanced tools available in this field. We in United have developed a big database where we are having many 3D investigation movies with us. The fifth segment of our training module is e-manual, electronic manual. It is a complete reference solution for a trainee who undergoes job qualification program, where he has to refer many topics which are lying scattered at many places. It is scattered around. It is quite demotivating for a trainee to dig out this information and then read it. It is really quite demotivating for them. This segment motivates them by providing this information right on their desktop on simple click. An access tool of this electronic manual is being displayed over there as a movie clipping. It provides a uniform and authentic training materials for reference for a trainee. And most importantly, it is showing a smart and intelligent use of IT infrastructure which is available in United. The last segment of our training module is training data bank, where we had created a training data bank in ethylene glycol plant. All the personal information and training information has been put in the data bank and made accessible. The access tool, front end and access tool of this training data bank is being displayed over there as a movie clipping. The objective of creating this data bank is to create sense of ownership among the trainees for their own learning, where they can see their progress and they can plan their own learning. At the same time, this segment provides a very effective monitoring tool for supervisors and trainers to monitor the training progression of each and every trainee. Having discussed all the 6 segments of our training module, I will take you to the next slide where we will talk about the criteria for selecting this methodology. Every business is a unique business. It requires a unique set of skills, techniques, methods, process and activities. A serious thought is required to be given. A careful thought is required to be given while selecting a training methodology. A method which can integrate all these 4 and suit to your business is required to be selected. Any wrong selection of method can prove the loss of precious time and money. Because of its ability to make the learning easier, faster, cost effective, and most importantly, because of its ability to make it in a visual environment, multimedia based technique has been selected for this application. The features of multimedia based training are it makes the classroom more accessible and more effective. It provides a cost effective way of reaching to the larger audience. It has a unique feature of repeatability and interactivity. You can play on any topic as many times. And it provides a customized experience to user. Having discussed this, I will take you to the last slide of our presentation, where we will discuss about advantages and benefit of all this exercise and of developing this training module. Extendability is one of the main advantages of this training module. We all know that SABIC is one of the biggest black hole manufacturers in the world. Yanpet, Yanser, Sharp, United, Saudi Can, all these affiliates are having same black hole manufacturing process. Therefore, develop this training module. This training module can be readily extended and used by all these affiliates for training their people in the black hole process. Adaptability and generalization capability of this training concept is another advantage. A multimedia training concept has been developed through this study. This may prove a major breakthrough concept in the field of training and development, looking to its impact on the shop floor personnel and the phenomenal success response it is getting in the EG plant in United. Therefore, this multimedia concept can be extended to other process plants also, like ethylene, LDP, SDP. There are many process plants in SABIC. It can be adopted to all these process plants. Cost effectiveness is another feature of this training module. Multimedia based training module, if outsourced, are very costly. Since this training module has been developed 100% in-house using the internal resources available within the organization, this training module can prove one of the most cost-effective multimedia-based training module we can have. The customization. Having worked with our people for many years, knowing their strengths, knowing their weaknesses, this training module has been tailored to fit into our system and is capable of addressing all the needs and requirements of our people. Dear colleagues, the overwhelming response this training module getting from all the quarters in my affiliate in United suggests that this concept is having potential to change the pace of training. The overwhelming response this module getting from all the quarters suggests that it has got enough strength to make the change in the training environment. Because of its ability to make the learning effective at the reduced cost, I strongly believe that this training concept can prove a major breakthrough in the field of training and development. That's all from my side. I appreciate you for listening me patiently. Thank you very much.
On behalf of the stage 9, we thank you for this and this is appreciation.